Welcome to 15-Minute English Drive. I'm Leo.
And I'm Debbie. Today, we dive straight into 12 essential words about receiving package deliveries. Let's go!
They left a sorry we missed you note. Tunanum inmin.
Oh no, not again! That little red card is the worst. I always get them too.
It is so annoying. I was home all day. I guess I need more coffee to hear them.
Okay, let us talk about this. First, we need the word for your box.
Picture this. I ordered a new protein shaker for the gym. It came in a brown cardboard box.
And you were excited! My cat, Biscuit, loves playing with those empty boxes.
Yes. That box is called a package. This is our first word.
That is P-A-C-K-A-G. Package.
A package is a box or a large envelope. It has something inside you bought or someone sent you.
So your example is, I am waiting for a package from Amazon.
Good. Your example is, my package from my mum arrived this morning.
A good tip. In the UK, we often say parcel, but all understand package.
Okay. You get the package. The whole process has a name.
Yes. Imagine you are on your phone. You see an email? Your order is on its way.
I love that email. It is a great feeling. My stuff is finally coming.
This process is called the delivery. The package's journey to your house is the delivery.
Delivery. That is D-E-L-I-V-E-R-Y. Delivery.
Yes. A delivery is when things are taken to a person or place.
I can say my delivery is for Tuesday. It means it will arrive then.
That is a good example. I can say, I got a text about my delivery time.
This word looks like our next word. It is the verb, the action word.
Ah, okay. The person does the action. The company sends the package to you.
Yes. I see the truck pull up. A person gets out with my box.
That person's job is to deliver the package. This is the verb, to deliver.
Let us spell that. D-E-L-I-V-E-R. Deliver.
To deliver means to take something, like a letter or a package, to a place.
A sentence is, UPS will deliver my package tomorrow. This is about a future action.
Good. My example. They deliver my groceries every Friday. This is a regular thing.
A quick tip. Delivery is the noun. Deliver is the verb.
Okay. How do you know where your package is? You need a special code.
This is very useful. You get an email with a long number and letters.
You can put that number into a website. It shows you where your package is.
That special code is called the tracking number. It helps you track or follow your package.
Tracking number. That is T-R-A-C-K-I-N-G, then N-U-M-B-E-R.
A tracking number is a special code for your package. You can follow its journey.
My sister sent me tea from London. She gave me the tracking number.
Same for me. My sister Mia is in China. I sent a gift and checked the tracking number.
I think American and British words are the same here. Everyone says tracking number.
Okay. The person is at your door. How do they tell you they are there?
Oh, that is an easy one. They press a button. It makes a sound in my flat.
Yes. It is sometimes so loud, I jump out of my chair.
That sound comes from your doorbell. The button they press is the doorbell.
Doorbell. That is D-O-O-R-B-E-L-L. Doorbell.
A doorbell is a button by a door. It makes a sound inside to say someone is there.
My example, I did not hear the doorbell. I was listening to music.
That happens to me. My cat, Biscuit, always runs when he hears the doorbell. He gets scared.
A little tip. It is two words joined together. A bell for your door.
Yes, that is right. What about an expensive item? They need proof you got it.
Oh, yes. They hand you a small device. You write your name with a pen.
It never looks like my real name. It is always a squiggle, a little line.
Same here. The action is to sign for the package. You must sign for it.
To sign for something. SIGN, then FOR. Sign for.
It means to write your name. This shows you got the package safely.
My new phone arrived yesterday. I had to sign for it. It was a big item.
I bought a new computer monitor. The delivery person said, please sign for this.
It is a phrasal verb. Sign and for always go together here.
Good point. What if you are not home? There is a friendly option.
Yes. The delivery person might go next door. They knock on your friend's door.
The delivery person asks your friend, can you take this package for your neighbor? It is very helpful.
The phrase is to leave it with a neighbor. They give the package to the person next door.
Leave it with a neighbor. That is LEAVE NEIGHBOUR. That is the British spelling.
Ha, yes it is. In the US, you spell it NEIGHBOR. But we both say neighbor.
To leave it with a neighbor means the courier gives your package to someone near you.
My neighbor is very kind. The postman can always leave my packages with her.
That is nice. My neighbor took a package last week. It saved me a lot of worry.
Remember to get it from them. Do not make them wait.
Okay. There is another option if your neighbor is not home.
Ah, yes. Maybe you have a secret spot, a place to hide the box.
Yes. For me, it is behind the big plant on my porch. No one can see it.
That hidden spot is called a safe place. You choose your own safe place.
Safe place. Say F-E, then P-L-A-C. Safe place.
A safe place is a hidden spot near your home. The courier can leave your package there.
When I order something, I write in the notes, please leave it in the safe place behind the plant.
I live in a flat, so it is harder. My safe place is behind the big bin outside.
Make sure it is not a wet place if it rains. That is a good tip.
Yes. Let us go back to your story. They left a note.
True. A bad situation. I was at the gym. I came home. I saw the red paper.
You were not at home. The courier could not deliver your package. What is this situation?
It is called a missed delivery. I missed it. The delivery was missed.
Missed delivery. MISSED, then DELIVERY.
A missed delivery is when the courier tries to give you a package, but you are not at home.
I hate getting that card. Sorry we missed you. This means I have a missed delivery.
Same for me. I had a missed delivery on Monday. I had to get the package myself.
The note tells you what to do next. That is a good thing to remember.
Okay. It tells you to go to a special place. This is our next word.
Yes, it is not your local post office. Often it is a small shop or office.
You go there with your ID in the note. You show it. They give you the box.
This place is called a pickup point. A place where you pick up your package.
Pickup point. PICKUP POINT.
A pickup point is a place, like a shop, where you go to get your missed delivery.
The note said the pickup point was a pharmacy far away.
Oh, that is far. My local pickup point is a small shop. It is very good.
A good tip. Check the opening times. Some pickup points close early.
Oh, that is a very good tip. What happens if you do not get it?
That is bad news. The package waits at the pickup point for 1 or 2 weeks.
If you do not collect it in time, they cannot keep it. They send it back.
Okay. This action is called return to sender. The package goes back to the company.
Return to sender. RETURNTOSENDER.
It means to send a package back to the person or company.
I was on holiday for 2 weeks. When I came back, it was too late. They returned it.
My sister Mia sent me something. The address was wrong, so it was returned to sender.
You often see it stamped on letters in red ink. Return to sender.
True. Last word. This is for the delivery person or company.
Yes, it is not always the National Post Service. Sometimes it is a private company.
like FedEx or DHL. They drive vans and bring packages. We see them everywhere.
That person or company is called a courier. It is a delivery service.
Courier. Courier. Courier.
A courier is a person or a company. Their job is to deliver packages quickly.
The courier will text me when he is near my house. It is very helpful.
I know our local courier by name. His name is Dave. He is very friendly.
It is good to remember that courier is the person or the company.
That is a good point. We have covered all 12 words.
Wow, that was a lot. They are all very useful. You see these words every week.
I think so too. Our listeners at home did a good job following along.
You use these words to track a package online or to talk about your orders.
These are everyday English words. We need a quick test to finish.
Oh, I love this part. A small game. Are you ready for this, Debbie?
I am always ready, Leo. I hope you are ready at home too. Let us do it.
Okay, I will go first. The paper you get when you are not home. What is it called?
Oh, that is a missed delivery. You get a note about your missed delivery.
Yes, you got it. Your turn to ask me one. Can you trick me?
Okay. The special code you use online to see your box. What is it?
That is a tracking number. I use that often for my gym orders.
Too easy for you. My turn again. Listen well, everyone at home.
What is the action of bringing the package to a house? The verb.
The verb is to deliver. The courier will deliver the package. Did you get that at home?
Perfect. Final one for you, Debbie. The person or company that delivers the package.
Ah, the last word we learned. That is the courier. Our friendly courier, Dave.
Ha, you remembered Dave. You got them all right. You passed the test. That is the end of today's 15-minute English drive. Great work listening all the way through.
New episode every day. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss one. Keep practicing and we will see you tomorrow. Safe drive!